So with the theory of really object-oriented programming, but I'm going to say structs on this, what we're doing is a little scary, but you, the programmer, is going to be defining new data types. You're used to ints, floats, doubles, all that stuff, strings. You are actually going to create your own data type that C++ will recognize, if done the right way. Now, why are we even doing this? You know, when we have values that are all related to somebody, I wish that weight was right, but anyway, if all of these values were related to one person, for right now, the only way that we would really know how to do that is, frankly, make three variables of the same person. That gets annoying after a while. That's just for one person. What if we had 1,000 people? We have to create a whole new thing. Maybe we could create an array, which we'll get into here in a little bit. But it's a pain. So what structs enables you to do is to group related variables into one table or struct. Now, I say table first because we're designing things out. And it's really important that we design what our objects are going to have in it. So for this particular example, I am designing a table called personal info where it's going to have age, IQ, and weight. Nothing crazy. But it's going to be programmer defined. Whoever's creating this, they're the ones setting it up, and then C++ will recognize it. But you're creating your own data type. For a struct, everything inside of a struct is global or public. Now, we should have gone over global before, but public means just that, is that everybody will have access to that. And that could be bad and that could be good. So there's something that we will be discussing more when we get into classes, because classes will give you the option for public, private, and some other things too. So again, this one, if there's any information that we really need to hide, then this isn't the one to use, okay? We only need to create one template for a person, and then we can create unlimited number of instances from this. And that's what you're going to see next, is creating the code. We only need to create one struct, which is the object, and then we can create as many instances as we want from there. So that's what we'll see the next.